wonderful daughter. I cried. Here's Jalen, who deserves every beautiful thing that life could ever bring. Oh, love my family. Oh, wow. She wow, deodorant. I really needed it. Yes. Uh-oh. It's
I don't
new.
know. Somebody trying to say something.
I don't know.
Boy. Damn.
Oh, jewelry.
Okay. Yeah, there's something shiny and glittery.
Stuff for my kids. Oh, what? Something about self-love.
What you trying to say?
Grandma's hands. Oh, this is so nice. I Matter. Black. My dad, the superhero. Where did she get these? Izzy. Little life. Oh my gosh, so cute. Some shirts for work. Kirkland. Costco brand. Okay, nice little cami. My style. Love it. Another one.
Nice.
Nice colors. Another gray. I guess.
She got flavors, kid.
I guess I need gray.
She got flavors.
This bag. Left the church on Sunday morning. She got me another fidget ring. Okay. I guess she thinks I like the fidget. Oh my gosh! Emerald stone! Oh, I had to put that on. Ooh, so pretty. Made baby things and it fits. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's from my keychain collection video. I think she listened to me when I said I'm making Paris. Another Paris. I think I have one of these in purple. And a rosary. Oh, it's a bracelet. Oh, so cutie. Jesus, my Lord and Savior, bless me with another year of life. Very nice stones. Clink, 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 clink. Stay tuned for the YouTube video. Oh my gosh, so cutie. Not all these tickets. So embarrassing. So embarrassing.